Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashif Vishwas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal Education School morning shift. Today, I am going to take a math class for the student of class 5. Okay, my dear student, let us start our class. So, before starting our class, at first I want to congratulate all of you because you are promoted to a new class, which is class 5 from class 4. So, my dear student, please accept congratulations from me and welcome to class 5. So, my dear student, I am Ashif Vishwas and I am your math teacher. So, I hope we face a good journey in this year. Okay, so let us start our class. Our today's topic is chapter 1, multiplication. My dear student, this is our first lecture. So this is our first lecture. Okay, and the name of our topics is multiplication. The name of our topics is multiplication. After completing this class, we will be able to know what is multiplicand, what is multiplier, what is product, and able to solve some problems. Multiplication is a known term to us because we have already learned this procedure of multiplication from class 1. So I hope it is easier for you. Okay. So here some problems are also given, number 1 A and B and number 2 A, B, C and D. Dear student, A and B is as usual multiplication method, B is also as usual, but we use here a special technique to solve these problems more easier. Okay, so first of all, at first we write the definition of multiplicand. Okay, so write the number which is multiplied by another number is called the multiplicand. My dear student, notice the number which is multiplied by another number is called multiplicand. So now I give you an example and you can easily understand what is multiplicand. So here example, 5 multiplied 2. If we multiply 5 with 2, then we get 5 2 are 10. Notice here 5 is multiplied by another number. So here 5 is called multiplicand. So right here 5 is called multiplicand. Okay, I hope you have understood. My dear student, notice this 5 is called multiplicand. If I write here another example, 10 multiplied by 5, 5 tens are 50. Here 10 is called multiplicand. I hope you have understood what is multiplicand. And now we shall learn what is multiplier. Okay, now I erase this to write multiplier. Multiplier, the number which is used to multiply another number is called multiplier. Okay. The number which is used to multiply another number is called multiplier. So I give you an example, then it is easier for you to understand what is multiplier. Okay, 5 multiplied to the previous example, 5 to the 10. And from the first definition we know that 5 is multiplicand. Okay, 5 is multiplicand, but here 2 is multiplied by the multiplicand. So here 2 is called multiplier. Okay? Here 2 is called multiplier. I hope you have understood. Another example, 5 multiply 6, 5 6 are 30. Here 5 is multiplicand and 6 is multiplier. I hope you have understood what is multiplier. Okay? So this one is done. Next we shall learn the definition of product. Okay? For this I immediately start to write the definition of product. Okay? So what is product? The result got from multiplication is called the product. So the result got from multiplication is called product. So first of all we give an example, then we can easily understand what is product. Here 5 multiplied 2, 5 2s are 10. So here 5 is multiplicand and 2 is multiplier and the product is 10. This is product. Okay, this is product. Another example, 7 multiply 7, 7 7s are 49. Here 49 is the product of multiplicand and multiplier. I hope you have understood the definition of product. Now we shall learn 3 formula by using this multiplicand, multiplier and product. So how can we get product? Product equal to multiplicand multiply by multiplier. So this is the first formula. Okay? Product equal to multiplicand multiply by multiplier. Okay? So this is the first formula. It is very essential for you. So you must memorize this very carefully. Okay? Number 1 down. This number 2. Multiplicand. Okay. So what is the formula of multiplicand? Multiplicand equal to product divided by multiplier. I hope you have understood. Next, number 3. Multiplier equal to product divided by multiplicand. Okay? So my dear students, please notice formula 1, 2 and 3. You must memorize this very carefully. Okay? In your examination, this formula comes as your short question. So what is the formula of product? So you must write product equal to multiplicand multiply by multiplier. So what is the formula of multiplicand? Then you write multiplicand equal to product divided by multiplier. Number 3, multiplier. So what is the formula of multiplier? Then you write multiplier equal to product divided by multiplicand. Okay? So I hope you have understood how to write this formula and you must memorize this very carefully. Okay? Now we shall start to solve our today's problems. Here number 1 has 2 problems and number 2 has 4 problems. So first problem is, notice here, 439 multiply 312. 428. So first of all we write number 1A. 439 multiplied by 328. So here I write here. Okay. Then 439 multiplied by 328. Okay. Now my dear student, notice at first we multiply 439 by this 8. Then I multiply 439 by this 10th place digit which is 2. Then I multiply this 439 by this 100th place digit which is 3. So first of all we multiply this 439 by 1 place digit which is 8. Okay. 8 9 are 72. From 72 I write here 2 and carrying 7. 3 8 are 24. 24 and 7 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So from 31 I write 1 and carrying 3. 8 4 are 32. 32 and 3 35. So if I multiply 439 by 8, then I get 3512. So ones place is done. As ones place is done, I write here 0. Then I multiply this 439 by this 10th place digit which is 2. So 9 2s are 18. Carry 1. 3 2s are 6, 1, 7. Then 4 2s are 8. I repeat. 9 2s are 18. Carry 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. 4 2s are 8. Then ones place and tens place digit done. Then we multiply this 439 by the 100th place digit which is 3. So 3 9s are 27. Carrying 2. 3 3s are 9 and 2 11. 11. 1. Carrying 1. 3 4s are 12 and 1 30. Okay. Okay, we know that multiplication is the short process of summation. I repeat, multiplication is the short process of summation. For this reason, I add this. So here 2 0 0, it will be 2. Then 8 1 9. Then 7 7 14. 14 plus 5 19. Carrying 1. Then 1 1 2 10 and 3 30. Carrying 1 3 1 4 and 1. So what will be the answer? 1,43,992. I hope you have understood. Okay, my dear student, after completing your solution, you must write answer. So 1,43,992. So I hope you have understood. Next, we shall solve our next problem, which is question number B. Question number B is 8070 multiplied by 230. So I write here 8070 multiplied by 230. Okay. So first of all, we multiply this 8070 by ones place digit, which is 0. So 0, if I multiply 0 with 0, 0, 0 with 7, that means 0, 0 with 0, then 0, 0 with 8, then 0. Ones place down, for this reasons I give here 0. Now we shall multiply this number by this 3, that means tens place digit. 3 zeros 0, 3 sevens are 21, carrying 2. 3 zeros are 0 plus 2, 2. Now 3 8s are 24. I hope you have understood. Okay. So ones place, tens place, both done. Then we shall multiply 8070 by 2. That means which is in 100 place. So 2 zeros 0, 2 sevens are 14, carrying 1. 2 0 0 plus 1 1 and 8 2s are 16. Okay, as multiplication is the short process of summation, so we add this 0, 0, 1, 4 plus 2, 6, 4, 1, 5, 6, 2, 8 and 1. So what is the answer? 18,56,100. Okay, I hope you have understood. As our solution is done, then we must write answer. Okay. Okay, my dear student, our question number B is done. Next, we shall go to our next question, which is question number 2. Okay, my dear student, question number A. First of all, you notice A number 530 multiplied by 320. So first of all, write that here 530 multiplied by 320. My dear student, notice here 530 multiplied by 320. We can solve this math by the previous method, but you notice this number has 0 in its own space and this number has 0 in its own space. So we use here a special technique here. So first of all, you separate this by a straight line. Okay? So notice, now we multiply this 53 by this 32. I repeat, we multiply 53 by this number 32 and 2 zeros left. After completing our solution, then we write this 2 digit. Okay? Then I write this 2 digit. Okay, my dear students, notice. So here 53 multiplied by 32. So we multiply 53 by this 2 first. So 2 3s are 6, 5 2s are 10. Done. Next, ones place is done. As 32 is taken as a number, so we consider this is ones place. Next, we multiply this 53 by this number. So 3 3s are 9 and 5 3s are 15. Okay. Now I add this 6, 9, 5 1, 6 and 1. So 1 6, 9 6. My dear students, here you notice how many zeros are there? There are 1 and 2. That means 2 zeros. Now I write these 2 zeros here. And I hope it is easier for you to understand. And when you solve this math, then you can save your time. Okay? So as our solution is done, so I write here answer. So 1,69,600 will be the answer of this question. Okay? Next on question number B. Okay. So we shall solve this by the same method. B 4350, that means 4,350 multiplied by 120. Similar way, at first we write here 4,350 multiplied by 120. First of all, we separate this 0. Okay? Then we multiply this 435 by 12. So first of all, we multiply this 435 by 2. So 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 1 7, 4 2s are 8. Okay. Ones place down 0. 5 1s are 5, 3 1s are 3 and 4 1s are 4. Okay. So at first we add 0, 7 5, 12, carry 1, 8 3, 11 and 1 12 and 4 1 5. So how many zeros are left? 1 and 2. So these 2 zeros is written here. So this is the answer. So what is the answer? 5,22,000. So right here 5,22,000. I hope you have understood. Okay, next we shall solve question number C. Question number C is so easy. 7400, that means 7400 multiplied by 500. Okay, first of all we write here 7400 multiplied by 500. What can we do first? First of all, we separate this 0 from this digit. Here 74 and here 5. 74 is multiplicand and 5 is multiplier. So we first multiply 74 by 5. So what can we get? 5 4 jar 20, carrying 2. 5 7 jar 35 plus 2, 37. So if I multiply 74 by 5, then I get 370. So now we count how many zeros are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This 4 0 is written in the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is the answer of this question. Okay. So what is the answer? 37 lakh. Done? Okay. And our last one. Okay. This is our last one. So D number question, 6,000 multiplied by 500. It is also so easy. So first of all we write as usual here, then I write the multiplicand. After that we write here multiplier 500. Then we separate. So my dear students, write here multiply 500. Now I separate this one from this one. Okay. So notice, first of all we multiply this 6 with 5. Then if we multiply 6 with 5, then we get 5 6 are 30. Now I count how many zeros are there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 zeros is written here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So what will be the answer? Answer is 30 lakh. So this is the answer. Okay, my dear students, this is our today's lecture. Okay, you must pick up this in your CW copy and practice more and more times. Okay, if you have any problem, to solve this math, you must make a phone call to me. My phone number is written on the board, 0175-268-2211. Okay, my dear students, if you help me, then our journey will be more enjoyable in this year. So my dear students, you must practice more and more times. And I hope you have no confusion in this class. Okay? So today is finished. See you soon. Till then.